Order filled. What up, Ohio? Good morning. Well, let me get my stuff in here. Yeah. Come on, baby. What do we got here? All right, we did get a closure here at 8 o'clock. What you up to, Ohio? I think I am gonna take this if it gets up here. Kind of checks into this area here. I think I'm gonna be in that. I gotta hit the record button. Yup. Yeah, I think we are gonna take a stab down here. So 4 hour, got a bearish closure, anticipating maybe a 4 hour top wick here to come back down. 1 hour kind of rejecting there a little bit. 30-minute bearish closure below this support here. So yeah, we'll check it out here today. We'll check it out in the office today. Nice. Check out this merch. And my wife got me some merch. Look at that. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, I know. That's for sure. That is for sure. All right, not ideal. Not ideal. That's all right. Worth a shot here for me, honestly. Worth a shot. It's just so, like, random. So random right now. I can't wait till we're in a different market, man. No lie. Can't wait. Let's check in on gold. Goldie kind of at like a daily range up there. 4 hour. I would say that's tapping in, at least up there somewhere. Yeah, 1 hour close, no bottom wick. That's why it's running up. Yeah, Goldie wild, Ohio. You know the deal. Yeah, Goldie probably have to let play out. Maybe we get like a bullish closure like this, and then we wait for a top wick up, come back down. Maybe. Maybe. Markets are weird, man. They've been weird. How you doing this morning? I was really anticipating a 4-hour top wick here and then come back down, but man, just so bullish right now. Double bottom. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out here. I hope not. Tired but good. Nice. I think we might get stopped out a bit here. Maybe. But I never wish for it to happen. Really wanted a top wick come into here. Kind of where these candles meet. Come back down since it's closed below. But can always get what we want. We can't. Anybody in here could like the stream, I'd appreciate that. Like the stream. Yeah. Okay, so as far as news goes, I think we kind of already had it, pretty much. Yeah, you had the NFP stuff, 44K. So red number here on the dollar. We actually also have the ISM at 9, so in about an hour. And then 3:30 looks like Trump's gonna speak, so that can always change though. He's a busy man. That could change. All right, Ohio. Catch you later, man. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. Not looking good. Not looking good. Yeah, it's just like in this weird trajectory, just like it's up, but it's choppy. Like this. This is the most frustrating thing. But you have to like wait till it shakes out. But like trying to trade in this is just like a nightmare. You have to just wait for a setup of some kind. Gotta wait for something, because I mean on stuff like this you're always gonna get like a breakout. That's the thing, because you're starting to make those higher highs like just barely above it, so it's like, oh, a breakout, oh, a breakout, but it's not actually. Not really. Not really. All right. Second. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. All right, we got about a minute for 15-minute closure here at 8:15. See what happens here. Okay, we did get a 15-minute closure here. So we'll see. See what that looks like. See what it looks like on the higher time frame. Like looking at it overall. See what happens here. See where we want to take it. It just go out for 500. But if it really is a 4-hour making a top wick, I like to aim more for the lows here. But we'll see. See what happens. We'll have to decide if we want to be caught up in a trade like before 8:30, you know? Like right before 8:30. We'll have to make that decision. Probably like 5 minutes before. I'm gonna go get something to drink. I'll be right back. Okay. So we're just kind of chilling here at 8:15. See if we can get a push down here before 8:30. A little bit of a push.
Order filled.
Okay. We got it. We got it. Yeah, we'll take that. Yeah, we'll take that. So we've got a couple new combines. 600 up, obviously, right now. This one we're up 66. And then a couple of these we're up 44. So we're doing all right. It's just a frustrating phase, man. Frustrating phase. But that was a good trade. One day at a time, man. One day at a time. One trade at a time, man. What is today? Wednesday? Still got like 17, 18 trading days left in the month. So, one day at a time, just see where you're at the end of the month. Try not to screw it up along the way. Like I always try to do with my red days, you know? Red days end up being like maximum 3,000. We've been doing better on that, but man, just a frustrating thing that I do. Taking maximum losses when you don't need to. Really frustrating. All right, we got about 5 minutes till 8:30. 5 minutes. Let's see what Goldie's doing. Goldie being Goldie. See. Goldie's just so bullish, man. It's hard to epic pin. Hard to argue with this, but it did tap into that daily. Did tap into the daily up there. those daily zones. So, I mean, we could get a turnaround here. It would have to be something crazy, though. It's kind of scary to be selling gold at the moment with just the crazy run it's been going on since yesterday. But like I said, you could get, and this is what we could be interested in if we are selling. You could get something like this. Give me a second. All right, I had to say goodbye to my wife real quick. Okay, so possibly you could get, you know, this candle here to close like kind of like it is. Could get that, and then what we might be looking for after that would be like some sort of wick up, come back down, something like that. That would be maybe what we'd be interested in for like a sell, but yeah, I don't know. It's tough. Like I said, gold's just been running up since yesterday. But yeah, possibly something like that. Whether that's a risk we want to take or not is a different story. Not sure that we do. Being up 2100, we'll see. But we have 1 minute for closure. 1 minute. Look at that. Wow. Good thing we got out, huh? Pre 8:30. Wow. Running up. Running up. Same kind of thing here though on NQ. Like if you get a closure without a top wick. I don't know. This is kind of crazy looking. I don't know if that's something we are open to today. NQ's insane. Oh, I'm on the 1 hour. My bad. Okay, so here is 8:30, but it is at this zone. So we'll see if it cares about that or not. 1 hour pushing up. You got the bigger zone up above there. This broke the highs. Sometimes I do take those where it breaks the highs and I'll take a sell. Sometimes I do go for that, which looks pretty good at the moment. Let's check in to see if gold is kind of doing our thing here. It is. So that's kind of what we were talking about on gold. It comes and breaks that and then comes down. It would let me take it. All right, well, never mind. It's not meant to be. It's not meant to be. But yeah, that's exactly what we drew out there. If it plays out. In Q, mind of its own here.
Order filled.
I think we'll try a sell here. I like that it's struggling, but we'll see. We'll see, man. Wow. Holy cow. See if we can get a monstrous push down today. Or it'll just go right back up to where we entered. You hate to see it. Just so bullish, man.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't risk a whole lot there, so no worries. No way it comes all the way back up, wicks us out again. Wow, that's insane. Nah, there's no way, brother.
Order filled.
I think we're gonna take another shot at this. Yeah, I don't necessarily believe it. I don't believe it. All right, well, I should have, I guess. Guess I should have. Believe it or not.
Order filled.
Jeez. Man, we're so bullish. Look at that. Look at that, man. All right, we'll take our licks. We'll take our licks. I'm gonna start coming down now. The gold. Yeah, that's better. Top wick. Maybe. Little top wick. Dang. Going so fast, bro. It's going so fast. Jeez. Well, it's definitely what we drew out. See what I mean? Look at this. It comes back up 3 times to break me out. Like, it's just cold as ice. Yeah, it's criminal, actually. We're always so right on the direction. Just early. That's crazy, man. It's actually crazy. Jeez. That is criminal. Criminal.
Order filled.
What a chop fest. What a chop fest. Wow. So crazy. It's the craziest candle. Holy. And we're
Order
screwed.
filled.
Look at that. Dude, it did it again. It did it again. What? No way. That's crazy. It literally just wicked us out and drove straight back down again. That's crazy. That's nuts, bro. Absolutely nuts.
Order filled.
All right, this is what we drew out on gold here to come up, make a top wick, come back down. So we'll see. We'll see. They're both bullish and we're selling today, so we're risking it a little bit. We are. We do have about 3 minutes here for a 15-minute candle as well. We'll see. Kind of struggling here. I think I'm probably just gonna get out if I can. At least move it to break even. At least move it to break even here. Wants to run down, that's great. But yeah, it's just so bullish today. Everything. Last couple days. Holy. Look at that. Okay, so here's the thing to watch. All of this is all daily wicks. So it's tapping into that right now. If it wants to come back down, this could be an area that it rejects with a little bit of speed here. Could be the area here. We got about 30 seconds. For a 15-minute closure. I mean, it doesn't have to at all. Don't get me wrong. Does not have to. But this is the daily. Daily zone. All right, we did get a 15-minute candle here. Yeah, so there it is. So there it is. Just a little early. Yep, so here's the 30-minute that we drew out. You got that bullish closure, you got that wick up, coming back down. This is like exactly what we drew up. No lie. Exactly what it was. Just if it wants to follow through or not is the only question. Maybe. See if we can get another push down here. Let's see. Okay, so this would be the absolute combine passing goal down here. A little far down. A little far. But we mark it out. Just in case. Just in case. I think we might just go ahead and take it at this point.
Order filled.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and take that. W. W. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so we got about 8 minutes for a 30-minute closure. Check back in on NQ. So that's rejecting perfectly. Would have loved to be a part of that. Just happened too fast. We were looking at gold at the time. Yeah, aim for the middle. Boom. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, see, that's a big rejection. Definitely would have loved to be a part of that, but what can you do? You could get a rejection down here like this and then like a bullish candle up again. Well, yeah, that's a wild candle. Picking on Goldie. Goldie turned all the way back around. Turned all the way back around. Wow. All right. So Goldie coming up again. Goldie coming up again. Crazy. Got about 5 minutes here until a 30-minute and a 1 hour and a 4 hour. All of them. So this will be interesting here on gold. The 4 hour closing at the 4 hour target. So we'll have to see what that looks like. Same thing with NQ, I think, too. 4 hour closing at that target as well. Yeah, that'll be interesting to see. Be interesting. You do have PMI at 9 a.m. Orange folder. Orange folder news coming in here at 9. So not a lot though, man. Not a lot going on, like just in general. Got NFP on Friday. That's it. Got NFP on Friday. That is it though. That's at 7:30 a.m. Hasn't been a lot going on, man. Not a lot going on. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah, Goldie trying to move back up. We'll see how it closes, though. Like I said, the 4 hour would be closing. I mean, it'd be closing above this, but not above. So, I don't know. We'll see. I could see the 4 hour at least moving down the short term to make that wick. So, looking for maybe a sell down just to catch the 4 hour wick. But same thing with NQ though. I mean, NQ's at this range as well, tapping in perfectly. So we'll see. Extremely bullish though. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm just thinking maybe in the short term, moving down for 4 hour wick, possibly. Extremely bullish on NQ right now. Holy. That rejection almost retraced all of it. Alright, so we got about 40 seconds here. See if we want to sell into this or not. I mean, NQ and gold both tapping targets, so lately that hasn't meant a lot. 10 seconds. All right, so it comes out moving down right away. See if we can push up in there. One hour close, no top wick. That means the 4 hour is... Nah, it made a wick. A wick. It did make a wick.
Order filled.
All right, we're gonna attempt to catch this wick. We'll see. Doesn't really look like it wants to go down anymore, huh? Even with some volume. Even with some volume there. Or am I just a little too early again? Hope not. Oh my gosh. Look at NQ. Holy. Okay, so yeah, we wanted to be in that, but didn't really get that wick up. Jeez. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. Insane, brother. Yeah, this is just rolling like usual. Like usual. Candles are insane. Insane, bro. Yeah, it didn't even budge. Just holy.
Order filled.
Wow. I still think it's going to go down. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie. Crazy.
Order filled.
Order filled. We'll see, man. This is our last shot. Then we're out. Then we're fully out, brother. I got nothing left here today.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're out. GG's. Appreciate you guys. Catch y'all tomorrow, man.